Okay, when the application started, it will show welcome screen like this, welcome screen, and then there are child safety first, kindness and positivity, and others. And then we can create a story, and we can choose which story to create. But we can also make our own. For example, like dinosaurs, we change to cats, and then we can set everything, but for this time just create this story, and then when the application is creating the story, it will draft the story, sketching some cover options, and then we will be provided with several options. So let's choose this or this one, and then continue to create this story. So it will uh, create the pages and for the illustrations, and then after that it will finalize the storybook. During the generation, it will show uh, what are being generated, and then when it is already generated, it will show here. So let's wait for the generation of all of the pages. Now already 5 pages generated. We are waiting for the remaining two. Okay, we are waiting for the last page to generate the image. Then after it is generated, then we can play.
Pip and Squeak, two fluffy best friend kitties, were enjoying a super sunny nap when a swirly gust of wind delivered a crinkly ancient scroll right to their curious paws. Their whiskers twitched with excitement as they carefully unrolled it, revealing a shimmering, magical treasure map pointing to a legendary stash of the world's most magnificent catnip. Tails swishing like happy wands, they knew a grand adventure was about to begin. The map showed a path leading toward a sparkling blue stream as the first clue. To the sparkling stream! Meowed Pip, bravely leading the way with a bounce in his step. Squeak bounced beside him, her fluffy tail held high, eager to find the next part of the mystery. They giggled, imagining the soft, fragrant catnip waiting at the end of their journey, feeling so lucky to have each other for this amazing quest. At the edge of the sparkling stream, they found a smooth, round pebble with a tiny riddle etched upon it. I drink, but have no mouth. I flow, but have no feet. What am I? Squeak pondered with a tilt of her head, then her eyes lit up. The stream, she purred excitedly. The map then showed a winding path through a field of colorful giant flowers, pointing towards a big, friendly-looking tree. Through the tall, whispering flowers they tiptoed, their soft paws barely making a sound. The big, friendly tree had a little hollow, and inside they found another clue, a sparkling leaf that glowed with a gentle light. It pointed them towards a hidden cave, not scary at all, but covered in shimmering moss and tiny, happy fireflies that danced in the air. The mossy cave was cozy and warm, filled with sleepy, gentle glowworms twinkling like tiny stars. Deep inside, they found a smooth, magical crystal that hummed with a soft, happy purr. The crystal showed them a magical picture, a secret garden, bursting with glowing moon blossoms and sparkling sunberries just beyond the cave's exit. Their hearts fluttered with excitement. With a shared purr, they followed the crystal's gentle glow and found the most beautiful secret garden. Moon blossoms shimmered like tiny stars, and sunberries sparkled like little jewels. Right in the center, nestled among the softest, greenest grass, was a big mound of the most magnificent, fragrant catnip they had ever seen, glowing with a soft, happy light. Their quest was complete. Pip and Squeak rolled and tumbled in the glorious catnip, purring the happiest purrs they had ever purred. They shared the special treasure, knowing that the most wonderful part of their adventure wasn't just finding the catnip, but the fun they had together, exploring and solving clues as the very best of friends. They snuggled close, dreaming of more adventures to come, always side by side.
Okay, that's all for the presentations. Thank you.